Hey guys, what's up everybody? This is Rafat from Make Way for Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make your phone smooth. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button. So moving forward to the video, if you're using an Android phone and if you feel like it's not smooth and you want to make it smooth, go to settings, then scroll down and go to about phone, then go to software information and just click on the build number multiple times. This will turn on the developer mode in your phone. Now go back in the settings and again scroll down. Now at the bottom you see developer options. Click on developer options. In developer options you have to search for animator scale. This is the animation scale, the window animation scale, make it 0.5x. Transition animation scale, make it 0.5x, and animator duration scale, make it 0.5x. Now see the magic. If you see, your phone will be working smooth. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.